Setting the time and day on your ProDigital thermostat is easy. Simply press the fan button to access the day-time setting. Press the up and down buttons to set the clock to the correct time. Press the fan button again to select the correct day. Press the up and down buttons to select the correct day. Press the fan button once more to store and exit. The ProDigital thermostat is a combination model, allowing you to choose between 3 different temperature sensing modes: A, AF and F. A is air only, using the built-in air sensor. AF is air and floor, using both the built-in air sensor to set the temperature and the remote floor sensor to regulate the floor temperature. Finally, F, which is floor only, using the remote floor sensor. Please note the F mode will need to be used when installing underfloor heating in a bathroom, as the Prowarm digital thermostat will need to be located outside. To set the type of sensor, press the power button to turn the thermostat off. Now press and hold the M button. You can now select a mode using the up and down buttons. Once selected, press the power button to store and exit. If you have a floor finish that cannot exceed a certain floor temperature, such as vinyl, laminate or engineered wood flooring, then you need to set the thermostat's maximum floor temperature as recommended by the floor covering manufacturer. To access this function, you need to set the thermostat to standby. Do this by pressing the power button. Once in the standby mode, press and hold the M button for 3 seconds. Now press the M button repeatedly until you see Program 7 at the top of the screen. Use the up and down buttons to select the required maximum floor temperature. Once selected, press the power button to store and exit. In manual mode, the thermostat maintains a constant set temperature manually set by the user. To access the manual mode, press the M button until a hand icon is displayed in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Use the up and down buttons to set the desired temperature. In auto mode, the ProDigital thermostat will execute the pre-programmed schedules using the temperatures and times set by the user. To access the auto mode, press the M button until you see the auto icon displayed in the bottom left corner of the screen. The schedules will help to control the heating system efficiently and economically. Your ProDigital thermostat has 4 schedule settings per day: wake, leave, return and sleep. To adjust these schedules, press the M button for 5 seconds to display the day to be altered. Use the up or down button to select the desired day to be programmed, or if you would like to adjust all 7 days at once, press and hold the up button for 5 seconds. To program the schedules, press the M button to set the wake program. Using the up and down buttons, set the wake time. Once the start time is set, press the M button to set the wake temperature. Press the M button to set the times and temperatures for the leave, return and then finally the sleep program. Once you have set the sleep program, press the M button to store and exit. By default, the ProDigital thermostat operates a 2 set point configuration. This means that the temperatures set for wake and leave will automatically be set the same for programs return and sleep. To change this to a 4 set point configuration so all temperatures can be set individually, you will need to set the thermostat to standby. Do this by pressing the power button. Then press and hold the M button. Now press M repeatedly to scroll to Program 12. Once you have accessed Program 12, use the up button to change to 4. Once done, press the power button to store and exit. Whilst in auto mode, you can use the temporary override function. This will enable you to override the auto setting if desired. Simply press the up or down buttons to set your new desired temperature. The new override temperature will be maintained till the next programmed schedule. To cancel the override setting, press and hold the fan button. To lock the buttons on your ProDigital thermostat, press and hold both the up and down buttons for 3 seconds until you see a lock icon appear. To unlock, repeat the procedure. The holiday mode will bypass your pre-programmed settings if you're away from home for long periods of time. To set holiday mode, press and hold the up button for 3 seconds until the suitcase icon appears. To undo holiday mode, repeat the procedure. The ProDigital thermostat has the ability to reset the original factory settings. Should you need to do this, you will need the thermostat in the standby mode. To access standby mode, turn the thermostat off by pressing the power button. Once switched off, press and hold the M and fan buttons for 5 seconds until reset is shown.